Hi, and welcome to MonoVM. In this video, we'll show you how to add an Addon domain in cPanel. An Addon domain allows you to host an additional website using the same cPanel hosting account. The new domain can have its own website files and content while sharing the resources of your existing hosting plan. Now, let's get started. First, log into your cPanel account using your username and password. Next, scroll down and select Domains. Click Create a new domain. Uncheck this option so the new domain can use its own folder and display a separate website. Enter the domain you want to add, then click Submit. The domain has now been created and added to your domains list. That's it. Your Addon domain has been successfully added in cPanel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to MonoVM, and stay tuned for more tutorials.